textbook exercises today. Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to everyone. Page number is there in the chat box 138. Page 138. Okay. I want to discuss this page first. Okay. What is written? Who will read on this page what is written? I'm going to present it. Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, Prisha, may I read?
Yeah, please read what is written in this first. Grams and kilograms, what they're asking.
Yes, ma'am. Grams and kilograms. So, name 5 things that we usually buy in grams
This is
and
on your page
kilograms.
number, right? Name 5
Yes,
things
ma'am.
that we usually buy. As I told you before also that you are going to complete this page. How many of you have completed? Please tell your name.
Ma'am, completed. Isha. Samriddhi. Khema.
Rudra Master.
Vihan Patel.
Okay.
Goyal.
Okay. Riddhi Goyal. Now I will ask from Riddhi Goyal.
Kahan.
Stop now. Riddhi, tell me. Which 5 things you will buy in gram? Can you name any one thing which you buy in gram? Riddhi, I am asking from you. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Riddhi, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Very clear voice.
Yeah, please. Riddhi, tell me. Which thing you will buy in gram? You told that you have done this, right? Riddhi, you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
So why you are not answering me?
Ma'am, just I was leaved out of class.
Okay. Can you answer me now?
Like turmeric.
Oh, good. Good. Only one thing. Turmeric. Good. Children, please write turmeric. Because turmeric we don't buy much. We use in grams, so we buy in grams. Next,
but we can write our own things also.
You can write your own things also. If you have already done, you can discuss with me. Prisha, can you
ma'am, could we write wheat in kg? 1 kg wheat we buy.
Yeah, please write which things you buy in grams, which things you buy in kilograms. And one by one we will discuss. Prisha, can you tell me which thing you buy in grams, second number?
We can buy in grams pencils.
Pencils will not come in grams. It come piece wise.
We can buy salt.
Yes, you can buy salt. Okay. Next, Migdad. Migdad, you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me which thing you buy in grams?
Sugar.
Sugar. Okay. Next. When we require less quantity of sugar, we can buy in grams, but sugar we can buy in kilograms also when we need more. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, I have written dal, pepper, tea, salt and sugar.
Okay. Good. Next. Please tell your name.
Ma'am, Rudra.
Ma'am, Kahan. Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rudra. Okay, Rudra. Please
Ma'am,
tell me the fourth number.
Chilies.
Chilies. Okay, good. Next, Anvi. Please tell me the fifth in grams.
Pepper.
Pepper. Okay, black pepper. Yes, black pepper, white pepper also come. Next. Anvi, can you please tell students what is pepper? Maybe they are thinking about this paper.
Ma'am, it is known as black pepper is known as black chili.
Black chili or black pepper, kali mirch we say in Hindi, or these are the spices, right?
Ma'am, I have seen this plant, pepper plant.
I will see later on. Yeah. Next, in kilograms. Stop now. Can we discuss about the kilograms? Which things we buy in kilograms? Please tell your name.
Ma'am Rudra.
Kahan. Next is
Ma'am, can I say?
Ayansh.
Ma'am, can
I'm
I say?
writing the names. If you are telling me the names, I'm writing. Then I will select the names.
Ma'am Rudra Jajaria.
Rudra Jajaria.
Ma'am Rudra Master.
Rudra Master. Okay, Rudra Jajaria. Can you please tell me which thing you buy in kilograms? Only one name.
Ma'am, Arya.
Huh.
Apple.
First, Rudra will tell me.
Apple.
Ma'am.
Apples. Okay. Fruits. Next is Arya.
Ma'am, can I also? Ma'am Kahan. Ma'am Rudra Master.
Wait a minute now. Mute your mics, everyone. Arya.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, good.
Ma'am.
Next, Jahan Jariwala is there.
Ma'am.
Who is this, ma'am?
Ma'am Anya.
Okay, Anya, tell me.
Ma'am cooker.
Cooker. Vessel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That we are just asking about the, okay, cooker also, but eatable things we are discussing right now. Okay.
Ma'am Rudra Master.
Yes, you can write that also. That cooker also come in kilograms.
Ma'am Kahan Jain. Ma'am, can I say one thing in kilograms?
Now next is Ayansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am. After that, can I say?
Sorry, Ayansh Jain.
Watermelon.
Watermelon is already done. Somebody has told me. Arya has told me watermelon. Next.
Ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am Rudra Master.
Wait a minute, Rudra. Rudra Master, you please tell me.
Ma'am Flour. Ma'am yes.
Yes, flour. Now next, see in my screen, turmeric, mustard seeds, chili powder, cardamom, cloves, tomatoes, sugar, wheat, bananas, rice. If you have not done, please complete this table.
Ma'am, sugar.
Yeah, if you have not done
More thing.
these things, and you can write many more things which you buy in kilograms and grams.
Ma'am, I have done
Children, if you all say together, yes, Vedi. Vedi,
Ma'am, badam.
badam, you. So what you call badam in English?
Ma'am, pumpkin in kilograms.
Wait a minute, Krishna.
Almond.
Stop now, time up. Write the answer in the chat box. If you know more things which we buy in grams, please write the unit also, that this thing I buy in grams, this thing I buy in kilograms. Write in the chat box. No, Lama, write in chat box, please. Vedi, please switch on your mic.
Ma'am,
Vedi,
ma'am,
please
my
write
mic
in the
is
chat
off.
box. No discussion right now.
Ma'am, my mic is off.
Yeah, Vedi, tell me what you call badam in English.
Badam in English.
Almond.
Almond.
What you children, please. What you called kaju in English?
Cashew.
Cashew nut.
Cashew
Yeah.
nut.
These things we can buy 500 grams, 600 grams.
Ma'am, cashew nut.
Good. Depend on the requirement, how much we need. Cashew nuts and almonds we can buy in grams also, we can buy in kilograms. Depend how much we need. If we need 500 grams only, we buy in grams. If we need more than that, we buy in kilograms also. Good children, those who are giving me answers in the chat box. Good. Just a minute. Now, open next page. Page number 139. Page number 139. The answer went to shop. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to present the screen.
Ma'am, in kilograms, can I write dragon fruit?
Yeah, dragon fruit. I'm going to present my screen just a minute, and then you also open.
Ma'am, in kilograms, I can write bananas.
Yeah, you can write bananas in kilogram. Bananas come piece-wise also, like dozen-wise also. But bananas somewhere come, in some places, some states, is come with kilogram. Vedi, sit properly. Now I'm going to present the next page, which is page number 139. This is page number 139. Can you all able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know all answer. Ma'am, I know all answer.
Good. If you know all answer, good. Someone is asking something from me. Which child is that?
Ayush.
Yes, Ayush. Tell me.
I'm really sorry. I'm late. I don't know what you're doing.
Sorry, please. Now continue what I am doing right now. Open page number 139. Okay. So next time, please join on time. The answer went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights were written. Okay, they have written only here this, and what the unit is here, it is in grams or kilograms. He has cut it. So can we guess what things he have brought in kilograms and what things he have brought in grams? Right. Yes, one by one, I will call the child name, please. No one will switch on their mics. Rice. Jahan Jariwala is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am. I also had problems like Ayush, so I just joined now.
Every time this is the problem, because of you children only I switch off my link. Have you understood now? You children always, usually I notice to you, Jahan Jariwala, you are not log in on time. You always log in after the timings. That is the reason I started switch off my link. Next question is from Jahan Agarwal. Jahan Agarwal. Jahan,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Jahan, can you guess if 5 is there written under the weight? So 5 grams will be rice or 5 kilograms? Which unit I will write here? Can you guess?
5 kg.
5 kg, yeah. Next is from
नहीं
Gunav.
ये मैंने पहले से लिखा है
Gunav. Gunav, you are there in the class? Let me see. Okay, just a minute. Let me check the students. Aryaman Sangai. Aryaman Sangai?
Ma'am, can I say?
No. I'm talking with Aryaman. Aryaman, yes, please. Aryaman, can you tell me sugar? So what we will write here in the blue part, sugar, as he brought it in the grams or kilograms?
Kilograms.
Very good. So with sugar, 1 kg we will write. Please write kilograms, kg. So these are the units. Grams, kilograms, milligrams. These are the units. And please don't forget to write the units when you are adding the kilograms and grams, when you are subtracting the kilograms and grams. So please don't forget to write the units. Now, my next question is from Derisha.
Ma'am.
Derisha, please switch on your mic and camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Derisha, can you please tell me, next is what written here?
Ma'am, can you show the page?
Page 139, we are doing this table. that he has checked what is written with the weights, that is in grams or the kilograms. Sometimes it happen with you also, right? आपको जो bill मिल रहा है, you got the bill, no? When you go and buy the things from D-Mart and other grocery store, they give you bill. Okay?
Yeah.
And sometimes it happen कि आपसे पीछे का part फट जाता है. Okay?
Yeah.
This happened with this then Dhyansan also.
Okay.
So can you guess mustard seeds which he have taken, 10 mustard, so that the weight of this is in grams or the kilograms?
10 grams.
Grams, very good. Mustard seeds, we don't use much, so we don't take in kg, we take in grams. Next is wheat. That question is from Farzan Bastawala. Farzan. Farzan. Switch on your camera and mic, please.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Okay. Now, Farzan, tell me, what is the next after mustard seeds?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell you something?
What?
Ma'am, my textbook is not getting to me.
I will talk to you later. Farzan, please be ready once you enter in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, I'm calling the child's name, please. Mohit. Mohit. Switch on your camera, please. Mohit, turn on your camera. Make Italia. Okay. Mohit, good that you have turned on your camera. Now, Mohit, tell me, what is the next after mustard seeds on page number 139? Your mic is not on.
Wheat.
Wheat. So wheat you buy 3, weight is written 3. That is 3 grams or 3 kilograms?
3 grams.
3 grams. If someone is going to buy a wheat, will buy a wheat in grams? Or that too also 3 grams. 3 grams की quantity पता है कितनी आएगी?
Kilogram.
Kilogram. Wheat. Right. So please see the name of the thing. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, can
Wait
I
a minute. Wait, children. Let me take the attendance once again.
दादी क्या कर रहे हो? नहीं करिए.
Okay. Now next is from Yug Baria.
गेट बंद कर दो.
You please mute your mics, everyone. Kahan, mute your mic. Next is Yug Baria. Yug Baria, can you tell me what is written after wheat?
Dal.
Dal. 500 what?
Gram.
Yes, 500 kg. It can't be 500 kg, right? So it is 500 gram. Good. Next is from Vansh Balchandani.
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh Balchandani, what is written after dal?
Tea.
T. 250 what? 250 kg or the grams?
250 gram.
Good. Please, children, write along with it. We are doing the discussion. Please write. Next is from Riddhi Goyal. Switch on your mic, please.
Can you ask me, please?
Riddhi, what is written after? Children, if you say ma'am in between, I will not ask. So please maintain discipline in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Riddhi, what is written after T?
Ma'am.
You have your textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am. After dal. Ma'am, I know.
After dal, yes. After dal, T we have done. So after T, what is written in your textbook? You look into your textbook.
No, I know. I can answer.
No, sorry. Riddhi, please. Next time, please join my class with preparation, please, with your books. Man Rajodia.
Ma'am.
Man Rajodia.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera.
Yes.
Turn on your camera and answer me what is written after T.
Ma'am, paper.
It's not paper, paper.
Yes, ma'am, paper.
It's in kg or grams.
Ma'am, grams.
Good. So what you will write with here? Grams. The 25 grams. Good.
kg, gram, kg, gram.
Vivan, I'm going to remove you. Maintain discipline in the class, please. Okay. Open page number. Everyone done this page? Show me thumbs
Yes,
up only. Show me thumbs up. Okay. Open page number 143. Please open page number 143. Vedi, what is this? You have not completed? Please stop raising your hands. Not completed, Vedi. Then do it. What you are doing then? Do it. Please put your hands down. Stop raising your hands now. Very good. That Anvi is a good girl. She has written in the chat box all the answers instead of open the mic and doing. Very good, children. I can see chat box. You have written the answers. Good. Now page number 143. This story we have already done about the elephant story. So after this story, we are going to do the page number 143, this one. Anamika wants to weigh this chair using weighing scale. Now, can you please guess and tell me how she is going to weigh? Is she able to keep the chair on the weighing scale and will she able to weigh that?
No,
Please,
ma'am.
please raise your hand. Write the answer in the chat box. How she is going to weigh this chair. Please write the answers. If you have any ideas, no is okay. But how? How, if it is possible to wait, can you give some ideas? किसको हम कैसे wait कर सकते हैं? How? Please write the ideas.
Ma'am, I have written weigh machine.
Weighing machine. Which weighing machine? This is also a weighing scale only.
Ma'am, digital.
Okay. But if she, in case she is having only this kind of weighing scale, and she wants to weigh this chair.
Can I say?
Yes, Samrit. No, please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I can't type. I'm trying to type, but I can't.
Please try.
Okay.
No, if she is not having an option of changing the weighing scale will be the same. The weight machine will be the same. On this weight machine, how she is going to measure the weight of this chair? Machine will be same. She is not going to change the machine. Yes.
I know the answer, but I can't express the words and write it in the chat.
No, please try to express in the words because you are going to give the answer in the words.
Okay.
No, I know this answer is no. She will not able to weigh this chair. But can you guess and suggest us how she is going to measure? Sorry, nobody is giving me the appropriate answer. Everyone is writing no or they are changing the balance scale. They are changing the weighing machines.
Ma'am, we don't know.
Okay. I am going to explain you how. That I will explain you. Please mute your mics. Chat box is closed now. Okay. Now listen here. See this. The weighing scale should be the same one. And now how I'm going to measure this chair? You know how? First of all, I'm going to place one wooden thing on it, which is flat. Right? I will place that on it. And I will measure the weight of that wooden Right? First, I will I will show you how to write the answers. So I can suggest that Anamika should put a flat wooden slab. Slab, you know what it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Slab is a kind of a flat surface that can be of wooden, that can be of stone also. Right? So if she can put a wooden slab on the weighing scale on which the chair can be kept easily and record the weight. Children, I'm very much upset that you children are switching on your mics in between and saying ma'am in spite of paying attention in the class. Please mute your mics. It's my request to Ayush and to other. Ayush, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, I'm already muted. I
No.
just switch off the mic.
Okay. So she is going to put a wooden, because we are not able to put the chair on the weighing scale. So first we put the wooden slab on the weighing scale, weighing this machine on which the chair can be kept easily and record the weight. Then now what will happen? Now after this, I have told you this. Now what will be the weight? Can you guess and tell me what will be the weight of this chair? After this, will she able to measure the weight correctly? Ayush, can you try and tell me? After putting a wooden slab on the weighing scale, what will happen? What will happen?
After putting a chair on it, she will not get the right weight. She has to subtract the weight of the slab to get the chair's weight.
Because first she is putting the wooden slab on it. And then she is putting a chair on it. So what will happen? The weighing machine will show the total weight. The weighing machine will show the weight of wooden slab also and the chair also. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose, for example, you want the weight of tomato only. But if you put a lemon and tomato only, the weighing machine will show the weight of both the things, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
The weighing machine will show you the weight of tomato and lemon. Both the things. And you need only the weight of tomato. So how you will find? From the total, because
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Who's saying, can I say?
Ma'am,
Can you please explain us?
Ma'am, look. First, there is the total amount.
Switch on your camera.
Ma'am, camera is not getting on.
Okay.
First, we have to take the weighing machine. There is one side lemon and one side tomato. So what is the total weight? So first, it is the total we got. Okay. So now this subtract the kg. How much kg you have buy, you will get the answer.
So can you compare this example with the wooden chair, which I have explained just now?
Ma'am, I can.
Okay, wait a minute, Man. Yes, Man, please explain.
Ma'am, first we put a wooden slab on weighing machine. Then we put the chair up. So it will.
No. First, we put a wooden slab on the weighing machine, and we will see what is the weight of that wooden slab.
Yes.
Suppose the weight of the wooden slab is 2 kg.
It will be minus with total.
Yeah.
What is the weight of?
Let me explain once again. First, we will put a wooden slab on the weighing scale, and we measure what is the. Lakshya, please do not play with your camera. And listen properly. And see what is the weight of this wooden slab. After putting it on the weighing scale, if we notice that the wooden slab weight is 2 kg, right? Because now we know the wooden slab weight is 2 kg. And then we put the chair on the wooden slab. Now the total weight is 8 kg with the chair.
So, ma'am,
Now, what is the weight of the chair? Please write in the chat box. I'm going to open the chat box. Please write in the chat box. Now, what will be the weight?
What was the question again?
See, when I measured the wooden slab, it was only 2 kg. And wooden slab with chair, now the weight is 8 kg. What is the weight of the chair?
kg.
Who is writing 1 kg? Those who are writing 1 kg, this is wrong.
Ma'am, I was writing 6 kg only, but by mistake I typed 1.
Yes. Aryaman Sangai, 7 is wrong. Aryaman Sangai, before putting a chair, it was only 2 kg. The weight of the slab is 2 kg only. After putting a chair, it is 8 kg. Now, what is the weight of the chair? 6 kg. Right. Lamha, we cannot break the chair and find the measurement. Then what is the use of the chair then? We will not able to use that chair.
Yeah, I didn't thought that.
Okay. That you are saying about the story which we have done about the elephant. One was saying that, okay, we can cut it in the elephant into pieces and find the measure, right? That was also wrong.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
because elephant is a living thing and the chair is a non-living thing.
But we cannot break, if we want to find the weight of a chair, we can break it. Then will we able to use that chair?
no,
No.
the chair will break.
No,
The chair
we
is
can use
made of
the
wood.
another trick that we will not spoil the
Then
thing.
we will make the chair. We will make the chair.
Ma'am, I don't think there is another trick for measuring this chair.
Yeah, please share later on. Now let's go to the next.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Renu, ma'am, I have to go somewhere, so can I leave?
Yeah, please, Kevna. Okay, now next is broken stones. Now, please open that same page number 143. Another trick. Please do not leave the class.
Ma'am, I have done this. This is easy. I've done this already.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Broken stones.
Done it
This
in
is
my
one more trick that one Abdu sells firewood. There was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kg. Right. One day, what happened? This big stone fell down and it has been broken into 3 parts. So now he is having 3 different stones of different weights.
Yeah.
Lakshya, please pay attention in class. Do not talk anyone in the class. So 2 kg, 5 kg and 6 kg. 3 different weights, right? Now, just a minute, I'll show you. This is the screen. But Abdul was very smart. He used those 3 pieces to weigh firewood of all the weights from 1 kg to the 9 kg. Now let's see how he is going to weight. Turn on your page number 144. First is he has to weigh the 4 kg of firewood.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Kahan, please tell me how is going to measure the 4 kg? He is not having a 4 kg stone.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, 6 kg and 2 kg.
6 kg and?
2 kg.
Okay. So one side he is going to put a 6 kg. And the another side he is going to put a 2 kg. Then how it will be balanced?
And ma'am, then it will.
11.
Yes.
Ma'am, then he will put the bundle of firewood, and when the balance scale will be equal, so he will able to know that it is weight of the.
Very
Yes.
good. Very good.
Ma'am, second, can I say?
Wait a minute, Vivan. In
Second.
first balance, he will put 6 kg. And in another, he will put 2 kg. So because he want 4 kg only, So the balancing 4 kg firewood he will put. Yes or no? You understood everyone or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Go to the next Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how he will measure 3 kg.
Ma'am, first at 2 kg and 5 kg.
Yes. So first he will put 5 kg and 2 kg and the balancing 3 kg firewood he will measure in that. Next, Samriddhi will explain me. Samriddhi, will you explain me how 7 kg firewood? He is not having a 7 kg wood. So how is he is not having a 7 kg stone?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, he will cut. Can I say? He will cut the trunks and he will cut the trunks and he will take this 5 kg stone.
Hmm.
He will take 1 kg trunk and 5 kg stone and he will put, then it will be 6 kgs.
No. See, he is having a 5 kg, 6 kg and 2 kg stone, right? But he want to measure the weight of 7 kg firewood. ठीक है? उसको 7 kg firewood measure. How is going to measure this?
So he will take 5 kg and 2 kg stone.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
He will take 5 kg and 2 kg stone in one side and then total 7 kg in another side.
And ma'am, I have one more idea.
Yeah, please, Ayush, share with us.
Ma'am, first the trick he used 1 kg to figure out
Hmm.
the 5 and 6 trick. How he figured out 1 kg and he'd put it aside and then he'd use the 6 kg stone and the 6 kg firewood and mix the
Then
firewood.
1 kg, so he is not having stone.
But ma'am, he used the trick to get 1 kg. He put 6 kg on one side, 5 kg on one side, and 1
Then-
kg firewood. Then he would
Okay.
put aside and then 6
Yes.
kg and he would mix them.
Yes. I understood that you are trying to tell me one side he will put a 6 kg stone and another side he will put a 5 kg stone. The balancing 1 kg wood he will put, right? To balance it proper 6. So now he is having a 1 kg wood aside and then 5 kg he can measure easily, right? But if he want to do and reduce his time and want to do quickly, then he can do with 5 kg and 2 kg total and 7 kg he will wait.
There was a way he would not use it with
Also, can I leave?
Yes.
he would not use the 5 kg stone. He would use the 6 kg stone and 2 kg
Bye,
wood.
ma'am.
Yeah.
First 5 kg, 6 kg and then the 6 kg alone and the firewood. So you